Now we are going to learn the command prompt navigation methods. First, we'll resize the command prompt window by left-clicking, holding, and dragging the bottom right corner of the command prompt. Now type dir to view the folders within your current location inside the command prompt. Type cd user1, which is my username, cd desktop, cd folder1 if you got a folder1 on your desktop to navigate forward through directories. Type cd space ... to navigate back a directory. When typing a directory with spaces in the name, wrap quotes around it. This is not necessary for Windows 10, but it is for Windows 7 and below, so it's a good practice. You can also string commands together using the N key. See, I just navigated straight to my C drive. If you know a folder's path, you can also navigate straight to it by wrapping quotes around it as well. You can also include the N directory command to view what's inside it once you navigate it to it. Now let's go back a directory and I will show you the tab function. See, I just tapped part of the name and I press tab, and it tries to guess the name based on what's inside my desktop. If I just put F then press tab, it will switch from folder 1 to folder the second one, because that's the two folders I start with an F on my desktop. This is a very useful function and can be used anywhere when searching through folders or files inside the command prompt. As you can see, it makes things so much easier. Now we are going to learn how to list files by date in Windows 10. Type directory space / to view the switches. We need O, which is short order, and D by date. So directory / OD. Directory space / OD. This is everything by date in the current working directory that you're located in. And if you wanted to view all files along with that, you would put directory space / A space / OD, and it views even hidden files by date.